go.
Which one is recording? It's recording right now. Oh, that's Danny. Danny, heard him a big old, I don't know what it is. Oh my God. Bonnet head shark. Danger, danger, danger. Yes, sir. In his flip flops.
No, I see a hammerhead.
Really?
Can't tell.
Shovel head.
A little hammerhead. Thing.
Uh-oh.
Grab him.
Alright. With what hands?
No,
He's a little shovel head. Well, are you going to keep him?
you want him?
We can eat. That's perfect size, isn't it?
I'm not ready to show that.
I have. That's my first catfish I ever ate. Catfish. Shark. We're in the darkness. We're in the darkness.
Oh, yeah, I did that?
Yep, you did it.
I'm a bear.
No, not the bear. It's dark. We can't see what we're doing.
I mean, wait.
Somebody send help.
I mean, wait, bear.
Send my hair back. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Oh, this is where the boat flips. We got like a category 7 waves. Alright, now do it with your bare hand, smart guy. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go.
Dunkin' salad right there.
Yeah. Yeah, throw them in the boat. Girls might think it's cool. I don't know. Whatever you think. Cool.
Right on.
Yes, sir. Tag him. Rah, rah. Fish are friends, not food. You did it. Yeah, Sissy. You won't do it. Get your hook back, bitch. Yeah, Sissy. I don't know. That's the first one I ever ate was a shovel head, and it was pretty damn good.
Yeah.
Yep. But whatever you want to do.
Where you gonna put him?
I ain't gonna be able to put him anywhere. What do you want me to do? Put him in the cooler? Ain't that happening.
Yeah. Alright. See him?
Yep, seen him.
Yeah.
Alright, we're out. Alright, shut this thing up.
My spotlighter right there.
Right there.
Little tater salad.
Yep, masturbator.
Yeah, he's a masturbator.
Yep.
Don't be a procrastinator.